I bet you didn't know that 20% of your efforts can lead to 80% of your results. Let's dive in. The Pareto principle, or the 80-20th rule, is all about efficiency. In product development, this means that a small portion of your actions can lead to the majority of your outcomes. For example, let's say you conduct several test drives for your product. You might notice that most of the useful feedback comes from just the first few tests. That's the Pareto principle in action. So how can you use this to your advantage? Focus on those critical initial tests and refine your product based on that early feedback. By doing this, you'll see significant improvements much faster. Imagine spending less time chasing minor issues and more time enhancing what really matters. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Remember, 80% of your success could come from just 20% of your efforts. Embrace the Pareto principle and watch your product transform. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.